KL Sharma, Kishori Lal Sharma, the Congress candidate for Amethi, filing his nomination. This was a day that one assumed would see Rahul Gandhi filing his nomination from Amethi. But clearly here, Kishori Lal Sharma has been the pick of the Congress party, a man who's been entrenched within the works of the Congress across Amethi and Rai Bareli, has been almost a de facto manager for be it Sonia Gandhi in Rai Bareli or Rahul Gandhi in Amethi before 2019. So he's really someone who the Gandhi family trusts extensively. We're going to take you through the shots coming in of him filing his nomination. Remember, Priyanka Gandhi is also there campaigning for him currently. Not seen in the visuals though, but that's Kishori Lal Sharma of the Congress who's been fielded from Amethi. Abhishek Mishra, our correspondent, joining us live. Abhishek, a seat traditionally held by the Gandhi family. KL Sharma now, the face of Amethi for the Congress party. They hope that this Chota Karyakarta, as he calls himself, can change the tide for the Congress. Give us more on his mood. We believe that he's been largely a campaign manager for Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi in the regions of Amethi and Rai Bareli. Never would he have imagined that he'd be fielded by the Gandhi family themselves.
Well, certainly, Nabila, a Congress party believes in Amethi that it's an advantage to them actually having KL Sharma as a candidate. Reason being, he has been very active for last many years, 40 years. Priyanka Gandhi also said that the relation which he shares with Amethi as close as a Gandhi member. And that is why, the Congress workers now are getting into the enthusiasm, and they're saying that our top leader has said that, Priyanka has said that, and we also feel the same, that okay, if Rahul Gandhi has not decided to, field from Amethi, but he's just next to Amethi, he's in Rai Bareli. So the people here are, have the similar sentiment, and that is why they also believe that, it is an advantage for them. Let's speak to some of them and try and understand. क्या यहाँ पर उतर के वही सेंटीमेंट है या कोई नुकसान आप देख पा रहे हैं?
नहीं, कोई नुकसान नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा चुनाव होगा, कोई नुकसान नहीं है। केएल शर्मा जी,
शर्मा के साथ में सारे लोग हैं, आपको लगता है कांग्रेस के लोग?
40 साल से केएल शर्मा सेवा कर रहे हैं अमेठी की, एक एक बच्चे को जानते हैं, एक गांव जानते हैं, सारे कार्यकर्ताओं को उनके बारे में जानकारी है, उनसे अच्छा और कोई चुनाव नहीं लड़ सकता।
क्या फायदा करेगा, आपको क्या लगता है? केएल शर्मा यहाँ उतरे हैं, क्या फायदा होगा आपका काडर का, लोगों का? क्या
देखिए, केएल शर्मा जी पूरा कार्यभार माननीय राहुल गांधी जी का देखते थे। कोई काम कहा जाता तो केएल शर्मा जी के ऊपर कंधों पर भार रख देते थे। केएल शर्मा के रहने से एक बच्चा, एक गली, एक कूची, एक गांव केएल शर्मा जी जानते हैं। 45 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, राहुल गांधी जी के साथ कर रहे हैं, उनके पिताजी राजीव गांधी जी के साथ काम कर रहे थे।
राहुल जी नहीं उतर रहे, इसका कोई दुख, मलाल, कोई किसी तरीके की आपको लगता है?
कोई मलाल नहीं है और कांग्रेस यहाँ से जीतेगी। केएल शर्मा जी,
स्मृति ईरानी कह रहे वो तो उनकी प्रॉक्सी है, उनकी कॉपी है, वो उनको जनता अपनाएगी नहीं, ऐसा वो कह रहे?
कुछ नहीं, यहाँ का मेडिकल कॉलेज जो जिला मुख्यालय का था, यहाँ से 35 किलोमीटर दूर उठा ली गई। यहाँ कोई राजकीय इंटर कॉलेज नहीं है, राजकीय डिग्री कॉलेज नहीं है। यहाँ जो अस्पताल है वहाँ पर डॉक्टर नहीं मिलते। यहाँ बहुत ही दुर्दशा है, हम लोग परेशान हैं। हम लोग
लोगों का मानना है कि अमेठी के लोग भी ये मानते हैं, क्योंकि वो तो स्मृति ईरानी तो कह रही जितना काम 5 साल में किया वो 50 साल में गांधी ने
कोई एक काम बताएं कहा पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कहीं भी किया हो, एक भी काम सिंगल काम उन्होंने आज तक नहीं किया।
Certainly, these are the voices of the cadre and the workers who are very optimistic that KL Sharma indeed is a better choice. He comes from the ground, has been there for 40 years, and people will vote with the relation they share. And that is why today, after the appeal from Priyanka Gandhi herself, the Congress cadre is now confident and battling it out against Smriti Irani. Yes.
All right. I was myself in Amethi in 2019, and certainly a lot of development, a lot of room for development, one can say. Let's just hope this time around that the pitch is towards Vikas. Smriti Irani has promised Vikas. We'll see what KL Sharma has to bring to the table, promising voters ahead of elections. Thanks very much for watching. We're slipping into a short break. We'll be right back with a lot more. On the other side, the action centered around Amethi, Rai Bareli, and the next phase of Lok Sabha elections.